So this next step, we're going to be using the tools that we get out of bag 10 and the nuts and bolts from 1 and 3. The other thing I wanted to point out is these nuts has a front and a back. So if you're having trouble getting one of these on, you might want to just flip it around. They're impossible to see the difference, but you definitely can tell when it's not going in properly. So here's the boom. It needs to go together in this fashion. This boom section has rollers up here. This one is just a typical blank section, and this one has the two, those are the strap rests. That's how this will go together. So normally what I do is I take the two boom sections that I'm putting together, lay them on their side, connect them together. I just go along and drop the bolts to the top. And I'll do that all the way along. Then I'll take the angled socket, come up underneath with the regular socket driver, just attach them. I don't want to attach it too tight. There's a reason for that, and that will be later. I'm done with that. I'll flip it over. I'll do the same. So putting this full boom together is probably going to take probably 10 minutes roughly. So just take your time. There, that's all together now. Let's start on the mast.